In this video, I want to share with you how you can manage traveling catalogs. I recently just returned home from Barklander, a pet photography workshop that I was teaching over in Scotland, and we were shooting a lot. So I had an external hard drive that I would download all of my images onto and work on them on my laptop. But knowing when I came home, I would want to import all of these images right here into my main machine, my main computer that houses my main Lightroom catalog. So what's the easiest way to do that? Spoiler alert, it's really, really easy. So what you want to do is you want to, if you know you're going to import whatever you're shooting while you're traveling into your main catalog when you get home, just create a brand new Lightroom catalog. So this particular Lightroom catalog, I just labeled Barklander. I created it on my external hard drive, and then I had a folder with all of my images that I would put into my images. When I imported my images into this special new Barklander catalog, I did import them in the same manner that I would want them to be imported into my main machine. So I had each one labeled how I would like to label it, whatever your naming nomenclature is. And then it makes it really, really easy. Just actually a couple clicks, shall we? All right, anyway, but first to get started, we need to exit out of this catalog because this is the catalog I want to import into my main machine. So we're gonna go up here to our Lightroom file. We're gonna open a recent catalog. This particular catalog is my main catalog. So we're gonna go ahead and hit relaunch, and it's going to open up a brand new, actually I lied, not brand new. It's going to open up my main catalog. So here we are in my main catalog. You can see all of my images are here. I organized them by year. And now I'm going to go ahead and import the catalog that I had shot while in Barklander. To do that, it's actually very easy. Just jump up to File and then go to Import from Another Catalog. And then we're just going to follow some prompts. Okay, now this is open. We want to go ahead and navigate to, which is right over here on this hard drive in Barklander Images, in Barklander Lightroom, and here's my Lightroom catalog. So I'm going to highlight it and select Choose. It's going to prepare, and so now it asks me, hey, which folders do you want to import? And yes, I want to import all of them, and then it's going to ask me where I want to put those images. And so I'm going to double check here and make sure that it's in the right spot. And actually it is. This is 2022. These are the proper ones. So we're good to go. And now for the file handling, what do I want them to do? I want to copy the new photos to a new location and import. So what this is doing is actually taking the images, my raw files from my external hard drive, and moving them into this Lightroom catalog and also where I want them to live on my actual external hard drive that's on my desk attached to my main machine all the time. If you just do add new photos to the catalog without moving, those photos are still going to be living on your external hard drive and not on your main machine. So copy new photos to a new location and import. And that's it. We're just going to hit import and let the magic happen. All right, so here we go. It pops up, it's done. We can just pop over here to 2022. We can scroll on down, and here it is, Barklander 1, 2. You can see all the different images, all of my, any editing, any flagging has carried over, so that any work that you've done on the road will continue right here once you bring it in to Photoshop, or Lightroom, I should say. So there you go. I hope this helps you keep all of your images more organized, especially when you're traveling. Go ahead and hit subscribe if you want to learn more tips. And if you want to learn some of my editing secrets, check out the links below because we have some free editing trainings.